So yeah, we have those 16 by 2 LCD displays in today's video, and if you are really miserable with the cable management, just as I am with those screens, then here is the perfect solution to turn this cable management into that kind of application, where you can use an I2C communication with voltage, ground, and the two data and clock communication. So basically this ton of cables from the top, what you have here, and plus additional resistance and grounding and setting up the black backlight, and yeah, those will be vanished with this simple kind of interface, I2C interface for LCD. I will leave a link below in the description, so you can check it later. And what we will do, I will remove these cables in today's video and show you how this I2C interface is working. I have ordered from AliExpress actually two, because I have two screens, and makes your life much easier, because instead of having the ton of cables, you would end up with 4 cables. So let me see what happened. So I have missed this. Yeah, but basically they both are the same thing. So now I will start to remove the cables from here. We don't really care too much about the rest of the displays, and let me try to just remove that part.
One eternity later.
So after a bit of messing up with that display and get those holes clean, we can set this interface on the display itself to spare some wires, and this has a specific setup, so you have to use your interface like that. And actually I'm gonna flip it in the same way, because I in this way, in front way, because I want to use this for debugging, and I want to reach the potentiometer and this enable disable. Like with that you can enable and disable the backlight of the screen, and with the potentiometer you can adjust the screen light itself. And yeah, that will be our format, and what we have to do is only to solder it, and once that is done we can continue. As you can see, this was maximum a minute, and we are done. We are fine to test it and see the result. So since this was from an old project, it means like I can throw this LCD display out, because the LCD display is not working. But it doesn't change in the fact that this tool, this small little tool, helped me to reduce the number of pins. And I created a test app which is actually running and working, and it is trying to ask you for subscribe, and it's stating how many subscribers I have currently. So thank you all whom you have subscribed already, and maybe in the next video I will fix it. Anyhow, there are other videos which are talking about LCD displays, and check those out them as well. Thank you very much for your attention.